We expect OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite affordable smartphone launched in India very soon. OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite features a flat 6.67-inch OLED panel with full HD plus resolution and up to 120 Hz refresh rate with 1200 nits, also COM with in-display fingerprint. OnePlus equipped Nord CE4 Lite with a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset and either LPDDR4X 8GB or 12GB RAM. With 256GB or 512GB UFS 2.2 storage, the phone boots ColorOS 14 out of the box, which is based on Android 14. The Nord CE4 Lite has a dual camera system on the back. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel and 2-megapixel portrait shots, and it has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The Nord CE4 Lite comes with an above-standard 5500 mAh battery and supports 100W SuperVOOC charging and PD 3.0. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.